Big, exciting news on a new development from Cincinnati's largest home builder with a fantastic location. I'm going to tell you all about it. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Sztanyo from Keller Williams Realty and TeamStanyo.com, where we are helping you find your home and strengthen your family. We are the #1 YouTube channel for all things residential Cincinnati and Northern Kentucky real estate. Thanks for joining us on this video. I've got some big news that I'm excited to share with you about a new development coming into the area from Fischer Homes, the Cincinnati's largest home builder, and it's in a location that is just absolutely awesome. I've known about this development for a few months now. It's literally kind of in my backyard, so when I'm driving in and out of Fort Thomas, I can see the bulldozers moving dirt on top of the hill there. This is going to be a really cool thing. Let's jump into the headline in this story from Cincinnati Business Courier. The headline reads, Cincinnati's largest home builder to build 60 luxury homes at the former Beverly Hills Supper Club site. I'll tell you what that is in just a little bit. Okay, so here we go. The largest home builder in Greater Cincinnati will build 60 homes as part of the planned development on the former Beverly Hills Supper Club site. Fischer Homes will build 60 of its masterpiece homes in the Memorial Pointe residential community being developed on hilltop property in Southgate. The Erlanger-based homebuilder is partnering with Memorial Pointe developer Ashley Builders Group of Edgewood on the development. One thing to point out here before I go on is that while this development is very close to Fort Thomas, and many people rumored that it was going to be in Fort Thomas, it's actually in Southgate. So because it's in Southgate and not Fort Thomas, you're actually getting the Campbell County Public School District, which is a very good school district, but not the highly sought after Fort Thomas schools. Jason Finch, market president for Fischer Homes Northern Kentucky Division, said this development is a tremendous location for the low maintenance, single family home community we plan to offer. It is convenient to Interstate 471, the nearby neighborhood business districts of Southgate and Fort Thomas, as well as downtown Cincinnati, and will feature green space, a pocket park, and some home sites with golf course views of Highland Country Club. The masterpiece collection of homes that will be built in Memorial Pointe are the same collection found at Villa Grande, a community of luxury homes in Fort Thomas. It includes 5-level floor plans, ranches, and 2-story homes with first-floor owners' retreats. The low-maintenance community will include yard work and snow removal for residents. So this community offers a lot. If you are someone looking for a new construction house in the greater Cincinnati area and you want awesome access to downtown Cincinnati, you want a luxury lifestyle, you want homes with unique floor plans and designs, and you want low maintenance where the yard work and snow removal is done for you, this could be a perfect fit for you. Fischer Homes expects to release information on prices for homes in Memorial Pointe in June. On the builder's website, the homes start in the upper 400,000s and go up from there. Fischer Homes will likely build a model home in the development, but a floor plan and timing are yet to be determined. Most of the homes will be front entry garages with a few exceptions. Streets for the first phase of the development are expected to be in later this summer. Bill Kreutzjans Jr., partner with Edgewood-based Ashley Builders Group and president of its commercial division, said Fischer Homes, quote, has built an excellent reputation by delivering high-quality homes and communities, unquote. Fischer Homes will build its portion of the development in 2 phases. Memorial Pointe covers 80 acres of land that was formerly home to the Beverly Hills Supper Club, which caught fire in 1977, resulting in the death of 165 people. Guys, this is a tragic story from the community. You can check out more on these other sites about what happened. I'll put up a few sites here where you guys can check out the story, what happened at the Beverly Hills Supper Club. Fischer Homes is the region's largest home builder, according to the Business Courier research, with 2020 revenue of about $348.4 million. It also sold 576 homes in Northern Kentucky last year. So this is a coming soon development. There's not a lot of properties on the website yet or price points or anything like that, but I wanted to get this news out to you in case you're looking for a future build in the Northern Kentucky area. So let's jump over to the Fischer website and see what they have to say about Memorial Pointe. Okay, so over on the Fischer site, Fischer Homes will be offering, as we said, the masterpiece collection of new homes in Memorial Pointe, a low maintenance new home community in Southgate, Kentucky. I will say, guys, as someone who's a Fort Thomas resident, the location when I'm looking at this and where they're building in terms terms of access to the interstate is really awesome. You'll be able to pop into downtown in probably 10 minutes, maybe even sooner than that. I'm kind of tucked back in Fort Thomas a little bit, so it might take me 5 or 6 minutes to get down to the interstate. I would imagine depending on where you're at in this new development, you could be on the interstate within 3 minutes. Nearby Fort Thomas has a lot to discover, including Highland Hills Park, which is wonderful. I love that park. The Fort Thomas Swim Club, Fort Thomas Pizza and Tavern, the Midway Cafe, Grassroots and Vine, Starbucks, Graders, and more. The community is also convenient to an abundance of dining and shopping options along Alexandria Pike in just minutes from the Newport Pavilion and Shopping Center. Recreation options can be enjoyed at nearby Highland Country Club, featuring an 18-hole golf course. If you love to play golf, definitely check out the Highland Country Club. I do have some friends who play there. I will say about that particular course, and if you get to see it in person, it is very hilly. So if you would rather have a longer track with less hills, you might want to become a member somewhere else, but it is an option right next to this neighborhood. Memorial Pointe is in the Campbell County School District, which includes Crossroads Elementary, Campbell County Middle, and Campbell County High School. Nearby parochial schools include St. Therese Elementary, Newport Central Catholic High School, St. Thomas School, St. Catherine of Siena School, and Notre Dame Academy. All right, guys, I hope this news was exciting and helpful to you. If you're interested in new construction in this community or any in the greater Cincinnati area, please reach out to us at Team Sztanyo, eric.sztanyo@kw.com, or you can call us at 513-813-6293. Again, we always recommend that you get buyer representation even when you're doing new construction, even when you're working with a sales counselor, because the builder's paying for that. It doesn't cost you a thing. Any commission to the agent comes from the builder side of things. They don't add more into the price of the home. It doesn't cost you anything to have that representation on your side, and we'll walk you through the whole process. You'll get access to all of our team members and our transaction coordinator to help you all the way through your home building process. With Memorial Pointe specifically, since this is a coming soon neighborhood, you can get on their VIP list and get insider information. If you're interested in that, let us know and we'll help you get hooked up there. All right, guys, this is probably the first of a few videos I'll do with this community because, again, it's kind of in my own backyard. So I'm really excited about this one. And I think if you're wanting to be, again, close to downtown, have a new construction build, luxury homes, amazing amenities, this might be the place for you. Give us a call at Team Sztanyo. We'd love to help you out. Sztanyo Klanyo, thank you so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.